Nice? Do you like the food? Dito ako sa office ni Sam. Dito ako magtatago. Habang babalutin ko yung regalo namin for kids. Start na. Habang now. Oh my God. Nagluto ako kanina. And then, namalengke muna ako. Tapos, nagluto ako. Bumili kami ng pambalot. Wala na siya yung ubos na talaga. Pang Christmas na. Merry Christmas na pambalot. So, ito na lang yung binili. Di ba, heart? Pang Valentine's. Oh my God! I never check. Yun yung mali ko. Hindi ko siya check. These are the gift, Mama. What is this? Wrap for everyone. No, don't touch.
What?
Don't touch. Ah!
Nilang ko lang kung ano pangaran.
May pangaran. You good eh? Ah!
Okay, your gift is expensive, ah.
Really?
Mama, easy, you can now
So you always use, ah.
You pull.
You always wear.
Always
What's
wear.
this?
It's a watch.
By one.
What?
It's a watch.
Is it? Okay. Hello everyone. Merry Christmas. Now is already what time?
12.
Okay. 12 midnight. And the kids hindi pa natutulog. So ang gagawin namin is magbibigay na kami ng gift sa tatlong kids. Okay, understand.
Mama, see you day.
Okay? So, I let them to choose which gift they want. Okay? Wait.
I want this one.
So this one, si Chen, take this one, okay? And then Tia, like this one, Ate, okay? Okay? When I count 1, 2, 3, you 3 together open the gift, okay? Huh?
Wait.
Okay?
Oh my god.
Wait.
Go.
I will count 1, 2, 3. Then you open the gift, okay?
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3. Start.
It's a toothbrush. Yay.
What is this? I want a toothpaste. What? Wait.
Why? You always have to use it You always use right?
It is good to
So
use
it's very useful. Oh, you want to play Okay. Sijan, you already win. You want that one Okay.
Hey! No, it's just a toy.
Yeah.
What do you want? The problem is you never I told you to write a letter to Santa Claus, ma. I told you, right?
Hey!
Wow.
Right. This
How?
is
You
you
like
like you like you like
See?
this one is what this one no don't open. This one is Barbie, ma. You see Barbie.
Wait.
You don't like it?
Can I open?
You like your gift?
That's this.
Mama asking you, do you like your gift? Do you like it? Do you like it? Yes or no? You're very good. How about you? Do you like it?
Can I remove?
This one is can help you to clean your ear. You know? This one can help you to clean your
Then can you
ear.
open?
Do you like your gift? Yes or
Can
no?
I open? Can I open?
Why you want to open?
Papa sa'yo niyan.
Ate, can you talk something? Can you say something? Do you like your gift, ate? One more thing is, this one is your favorite color, pink color, right? This is your favorite color, ma. Pink
I
color.
remember before Mama give me banana.
What is this? That is horrible.
Sabi na
It's a horror. Diyan, why?
Si Dad, gawin ko siya niya.
Huh? You're so angry
Why? What's wrong? What's wrong?
After Mama give me banana for my gift.
What's wrong?
My
Look! What?
Okay, we have here.
Oh, he just needs a bowl to try.
Ate Tane, look.
Wow.
Mama, we also want gift
You know before Mama give me banana for my present.
Okay, we have here. Yeah!
Don't box me.
Are you so happy? Wait. Okay?
Wait.
Sit down.
My favorite is
Okay?
Of course. It's
Let's see who's the rock, see the paper stone.
stone.
Good.
See the paper stone.
Okay.
So you choose.
Okay, so this one.
Mama!
Okay, this one is for CU.
Wow.
And this one is
For Z10.
for Z10. Okay? What are you
The
going to say?
same! Thank you,
What
Mama.
are you going to say?
Thank you.
And this one is for Papa.
Papa also have.
This one is for Zihe.
I saw that. I know what it is.
And this one is for Ate Tone. Okay?
Okay. Count 1, 2, 3, open
Okay, count 1, 2, 3. Open your gift.
It's mine. Yay! I have this. Yay! Knock it off. No,
Oh, wow,
mine
what
is
is that?
better. What?
Yeah, the same.
What is this?
Ay, gua ka na
No,
kaya.
what is the play?
Hindi ka nag-text.
Remove Okay, Papa remove
How?
Papa remove.
Open. Oh, this one is for Zihe.
This one is Papa's gift You want to open this one? Who wants to help you
This
to
one
open?
for my baby. Why?
You have Papa to open. This one Papa's gift.
Look. But we have to wash this first, okay?
Why?
Well,
Papa gift Hey, Papa open.
I love to play this. It's a toy. Oh my god.
See, this one is old toy very nice, right?
We would like to say Merry Christmas to everyone.
Huh? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Okay, so, Merry Christmas everyone! Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang aming video, like and don't forget to subscribe also at bell all na rin para updated po kayo sa aming mga bagong video. Thank you! Hope to see you again sa susunod naming video. Bye-bye! Merry
Bye-bye.
Christmas! Say Merry Christmas first. You say
Merry
Merry there. Say Merry Christmas. You greet everyone first, ate.
Merry
Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas. Merry
Teacher.
Christmas. They are so busy now.
Chicken.
Merry Christmas.
Tio, did you say Merry Christmas?
Anyway,
Merry Christmas.
ang hirap na Merry Christmas.
Hey, where's Papa ka?
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.